Hello everybody. Looks like I got done with the lawn equipment just about right. Looks like to be some severe weather moving in. So we'll see how this pans out and how much rain comes of it, if any. Could blow around us. And looks like the thunderstorm is right on schedule. Sirens are going off, so we'll see what happens. And I'm shooting through the screen, so that's what the grid is on the camera. And here comes the hail. Let's hope that doesn't get ridiculous. Uh-oh. That could tear up a garden in a hurry, so those are pretty big, so may work the garden over pretty good. And there's a look at the hailstorm. Looks to be relatively tame considering. I think so far anything got too much damage. So let's hope that continues to be the trend. And it turned into some beneficial rain. Perfect. Looks like we might make 1/4 of an inch. So that would be great. We'll take it.